Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. What to talk? The markets were hugely volatile, and at the end of the day, 8 days of red candle, the daily candle, 7 straight days of falling, 8 days of red candle, and the selling is still not over. But only hope today is that though the overall market fell, Nifty fell, next 50 fell, mid cap fell, small cap fell, all the sectors fell, but banking stocks and financial stocks, so they were higher, and that is the only hope for the bulls right now. And other than that, the bulls are losing the grip, I can tell you. And I already came out with a video why markets can be more bearish. Markets can fall either if there is a huge selling pressure, or even if there is no huge selling pressure, if there is a lack of buying, and also the markets can fall. I think now the markets are falling just because there is a lack of buying. Who wants to buy? Nobody wants to buy. And that is the reason why markets are showing huge volatility also. And today IT index is the worst performer, and I don't know because US futures are higher, Nasdaq future is higher, but still IT stocks came under severe selling pressure. So it seems that some bear cartel determined to bring the market down. Number one, today budget day low was broken. And number two, 200-day moving average was broken. And although in the last half an hour there was some kind of short covering, but how long is going to last, we do not know. The market will be definitely sell on rise. And markets, every day falling for 8 straight days falling. I don't think this has happened anytime in a normal market condition. If there is any major news like coronavirus, Lehman Brothers collapse, that's a different story. But then there's no news. The only news we have is Adani. So market falls, every analyst will say it's because of Adani. So I am also going to say the same thing. And Adani Enterprise went for lower circuit once again today. And of course, at the end of the day, recovered a little bit, now down about 9.75%. Other Adani stocks like Adani Total Gas, Adani Green, Wilmar, so they are all like down by 5%. And some of the Adani stocks are down for 21 straight days. Adani Total Gas is hitting the lower circuit for 21 straight days. In fact, one of my friends called me and he said he bought Adani gas for about 120 rupees. It went up to 3000 rupees, now crashing down. Now it's about 450, 460. He says how to sell. He doesn't mind selling even if he gets 150 rupees, he's happy, but not allowed to sell. SEBI must seriously consider removing this 5% lower circuit. Maybe for 10 days continuously falling, then it's not a knee-jerk reaction. So they should allow it. Okay, so anyway, that's not our business. And surely this is time to be very, very cautious. No matter what happens to the global markets, our market keeps falling. So the next logical support is only at 17,000, and that is the 50% Fibonacci retracement of the last year rally from the bottom to the top, 15,200 to 18,900. So until then, one can sell only call option, no put option. So whenever markets are bearish, what I used to do, I used to buy some put option and I used to finance it by selling call option. So when the market falls, that will give some kind of a buffer for me. Of course, market goes higher, the call option will be coming into trouble, that we should know how to manage that. So by looking at the weekly options, and Friday itself, 17,600 call option had a huge open interest, and today also that has added more, and 17,400 short straddle people are taking. The premium is less than 200 rupees, but still people think, market will be trading between 17,200 and 17,600 for the next 3 days. Today only I posted a tweet, if the markets are in trouble, LIC will come and save. But now LIC itself is in big trouble, and they keep on losing money in Adani stocks, notional loss. Earlier times, if the market is at the lowest point, in a very, very bad situation, and we expect domestic institutions to support. But who are the domestic institutions? LIC and other mutual funds. And mutual funds, they are already receiving less money from the retail. Retail people are losing interest. LIC already in trouble, so I don't know whether they can support the market. So if there is no support from LIC, even at the lower level, markets can go even lower. So anyway, there is nothing much to discuss today. We will discuss the remaining tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.